Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like and share and subscribe to my video. This video is basically to show you how to wire a um, basic wiring of an electrical panel. If you look, you'll see I basically have what I think and what I know will pass for my inspections. Okay, so what I have here is a set of breakers. Three of them are being used. Okay, this one is an arc fault. This one is a regular 15 amp breaker. If you look here, you'll see the name is Mark Eaton and the panel is Mark Eaton. Okay, so you cannot mix breakers. You cannot put a Siemens breaker into a Eaton's panel. Once you do that, you're then violating the policy. Okay, so example, if there's a fire and you've been caught using a different breaker that you're not supposed to, then you're responsible. That's the basic rules. Okay, so right here I have a switch and I have a receptacle and I have a light. So the arc fault breaker, which is this one, is in the off position right now. That breaker is going to feed this receptacle. Okay, the other breaker, which is the 15 amp regular, is going to feed the light switch. Okay, why do I use the arc fault breaker? The reason why I use the arc fault breaker is because any overcurrent in the receptacle, this breaker, which is on, will go into the trip position halfway. Okay, and once that is like that, you will now have to go to the panel and reset this breaker and turn it back on. Okay, so if you can see here, I'm sharing a neutral, which is my two white wires, with the lighting circuit. Okay, the only difference is that I have two circuits going into this box. If you look here, you're going to see I have my ground wire on the switch. My switch is grounded. Okay, my receptacle is grounded. Okay, if you look here, you're going to see I have one screw out, one screw in. Why did I do that? Reason why I did that is to show you that if you're going to be putting your plug inside here, okay, and this screw, which is this one, is out, it's going to hit the box and it's going to arc. So for this reason, I always screw my screws into all the way inside. Okay, if you look, you'll see my staples. Okay, very important for code if you want to pass also your inspection. Okay, you'll see my box is grounded. Okay, everything is grounded off to code. Okay, this box is also grounded off. Okay, if you're not also going to be using your light, then you're going to put what is called a moret. This is called a 33 moret. Okay, so in order for you to pass your inspection and to pass final, if you are not going to be using a light, then you will have to have these wires moret tucked inside. Okay, and also if you look here, you'll see I have another set of wires, which is basically I'm just feeding one switch and one light. Okay, is coming off of a 15 amp breaker, Eaton breaker. Okay, the panel is Eaton, so it has to be an Eaton breaker. Okay, then you'll see I have my neutral on the neutral bar, my ground wire on the ground bar. Okay, you come over here, I have my grounds all grounded, my switch is grounded, my box is grounded, and I have my neutral, okay, with my staples. Also I have my morettes, okay. Also, one last thing I forgot to mention, this arc fault breaker, obviously the neutral for your outgoing feed goes on the arc fault breaker, okay. And also, if you look here, I have openings, okay. And if you look here, I have what is called a panel filler, which you will have to use in order to pass your inspection, okay. This will be your main switch, your feeder, okay, to feed your house. And that is it. Simple wiring. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to my video, and thank you.